Hey Vectro, you going crazy. You going crazy.
Working on myself, really calm my madness. Yeah, I gave you my heart, I said you could have it. Receive what I get what I attracted. Yeah, like what's going on, like how did this happen? Keeping my thoughts to myself, got me questioning who knows. Pull up my brothers, we hop out of vehicle photos. She tryna go know me, I question like can you go hold on? My heart can get missing, it's probably all lost in the snowstorm. Like what's going on? She falling in love and I'm giving right in. There's no reason to play and pretend. Don't want you to lose cause I want you to win. Don't want you to overthink thoughts in your mind. I tell you right now, you're the only one that I really do have in my mind. If anyone asks, I'm saying you mine. I could be careless a lot. Give you the truth, you can open the box. Tell me to leave, then I'm kicking the rocks. Get high in the weed, be hot in the box. We can't be rushing, we just gotta have patience. Wanna tell my pops we made it. Tryna cross things off my way list. Imagine me touring in Vegas. Well, I'm on my way. Can't just be worried about time that it takes. Can't just be thinking what albums to make. As long as I'm breathing, I'm always achieving. I am an angel, they want me a demon. Addicted to music, I swear I be feeding. Why do they hate me and don't got no reason? I'm the person you probably working on myself, really calm my madness. Yeah, I gave you my heart, I said you could have it. Receive what I get what I attracted. Yeah, like what's going on, like how did this happen? Keeping my thoughts to myself, got me questioning who knows. Pull up my brothers, we hop out of vehicle photos. She tryna go know me, I question like can you go hold on? My heart can get missing, it's probably all lost in the snowstorm. Yeah.